Morning everybody, I'm in the car, we're nearly at dunkeswell. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. It might have been cancelled, but it wasn't cancelled, and then it might be cancelled, so I don't know what's actually going on. But yeah, I'm a bit nervous. I just want to get over and done with now, but we're nearly at the airfield, so hey ho. How do you feel, Rosie?
I feel good because I jumped out of an aeroplane and he's scared.
Yeah. Here we are, Dunkeswell Airfield. Aiden's with me. You right, Aiden? What you found?
Squishy chocolatey mud.
Squishy chocolatey mud. Let's go and see what the planes are doing. All right. Oh, what time is it? It's like 10 past 9. It wasn't too bad. We made good time, didn't we?
I'm here for no chocolate cake. Yeah.
Which one? Where is it?
Who made chocolate sponge?
Very nice.
Has like a brownie on top, and then like engravings of sprinkled chocolate, and then like chocolate buttercream like on the outside going all the way around. So I'm gonna enjoy that.
Alright, it's 10:07. Nana and Grandad have just arrived. They're going to be here in a minute. I'm having a coffee. Rosie's having... What are you having, Rosie?
Chocolate cake.
Rosie's having a chocolate cake. Aiden, what are you having? What are you having?
A weird brownie.
A weird brownie. I don't know. It's weird. But is it nice?
Kind of.
Kind of. So that means yes in Aiden talk. How's your cake? Excellent. Good. So yeah, we're about an hour before something happens. So now we're checked in. We've had kids have had half a cake because they didn't like the entire cake. Why didn't you like the cake, Rosie?
Because I like the actual like sponge, but the icing wasn't chocolatey enough, and I like chocolate.
There you go, so it wasn't chocolatey enough. Hey ho. So we'll walk over and now to the like Skydive Cafe. Oh, Grandad's car. It's very nice. Yeah. And we'll go over and see what's going on. I'm a bit nervous if I'm gonna be honest with you. A little bit nervous. I'm about to jump out of a plane and that seems like a silly idea.
So he's just like getting ready and, you know, getting his stuff on. And we're going in like a trailer to watch him over there land and the plane go up.
Right, someone look after my hat.
Michael, Callum, Michael. Is that
Michael?
How's it going?
Nice to meet you, mate.
You too, you right?
Yeah, you look a lot cooler than me.
Oh, no, I don't know. Banana. Hello, pretty cool.
You have to do a banana shape.
Yeah, that's
dress
right.
and look like a banana.
Be a banana.
Be a banana, perfect.
Yeah, banana with arms.
Yeah.
Couple of photos first. Awesome. Great.
Sun's right on me.
Hi Callum, welcome to Skydive Buzz. Tell me what we're doing today.
Jumping from 15,000 feet for some silly reason.
Okay.
It was a good reason, which is we're fundraising for St. Luke's Hospice charity.
Yeah.
Which is an amazing charity, and we've supported them for a couple of years now. They're amazing, so.
Fantastic.
So that's why I'm doing this.
For a great cause.
For a great cause.
So you can't back out now?
No, can't back out now.
Yeah. Brilliant. So have you raised loads of money?
We're close to 10 grand now, I think.
Amazing,
So
well done.
Yeah, we're doing pretty well.
Awesome.
Hopefully, by the time people see this video, we'll be even close.
So anybody watching this video hasn't donated,
yeah, then go check it out.
£2 your way.
Definitely.
Brilliant.
Link will be underneath.
Nice. All right. So 15,000 feet is about 3 miles high.
Yep.
We're going to free fall for about 2 miles of that and then open the parachute.
Yeah.
Are you ready for it? How are you feeling?
As ready as I'm ever going to be.
Yeah.
I'm actually all right, actually. After doing the briefing and stuff, I feel all right.
Yeah. Wicked. All right. Any message for anyone before we go?
Thanks for supporting the cause, and hopefully I'll speak to you in written.
Yes. Enjoy.
Deary me. This is tricky, this is.
Whose idea was it?
Oh yeah, I forgot we've got Aiden View as well.
I had to blame.
Daddy, you look weird.
Thanks.
It will probably be the first tandems out of the plane, which will be the first to land. Unless it all goes wrong, we'll be the first to arrive.
What colour are we? Blue. Green. Ah! You're useless. That colour. I'm going to go and get in the plane. I'll speak to you guys in a bit.
Wonder if there's enough room for Daddy.
Okay, there he is in his plane. He's playing it cool, but he is doing his pants. Okay, takeoff was successful! Woohoo! I can't believe Daddy is like flying through the sky right now, kids. Where are you? Can't I bet he didn't jump out. He's like, no, I'm not going.
That's very
I'm not doing it.
Look above
Oh,
us.
is it up there?
You
Oh, was that it?
That's it.
There he is. Look, he's spinning.
Yeah, how was that?
Amazing.
Awesome.
Freezing cold.
Yeah.
When we're going, I'm literally freezing.
No.
That was wicked.
Well done. Well, that's the highest skydive you can do without extra oxygen. Well done.
Amazing.
Wicked. How was Lex?
Thank you,
Did he
everybody.
look after you?
He was all right, yeah. He was
alright.
good.
Average.
I've never been that strapped close and tight to
Yeah.
a man before, so
Right.
that was interesting.
Every day's a first.
Enjoy it. I loved it.
All good. Thank you very
Nice
much.
one, well done.
Everybody made it happen. Thank you.
Would you do it again?
I would, yeah. I didn't
Nice.
think I would this morning,
Yeah.
but I would, yeah.
I want to do it. Here he comes. Yay!
I'm still here.
Yay!
No cold. No battery.
How did it run out of battery? Freezing. That was awesome. Thank you, everybody who made that happen. But that was absolutely freezing.
So you actually enjoyed it then, because you were so worried.
Yeah, it was alright. Well, actually, to be fair, once I'd done the briefing, I was happy. I was alright. As soon as I'd done the briefing, it was all good. And
You actually know what to
that was
do.
alright. And he
see
looked
us?
after me nicely.
I saw you waving.
I tried to wave as much as possible. I wasn't sure how good a Grandad's zoom lens
We could
was.
see you waving.
Oh, could you?
Yeah.
That's cool.
There you are!
I heard you screaming.
In the plane.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
I got a good photo of him that he...
Oh, did you?
Just landing.
good
That was
job,
super cool.
Rosie.
Wave, Rosie. Whee! I made it down.
We got him back. Callum's cameraman. Did he scream?
He screamed like a girl.
Ah, I love it.
No, he didn't, but he flapped his tongue around quite a bit.
I was trying to do that.
He was enjoying it.
I couldn't think of any other facial expressions to do because you're going like this. We'll see in a minute, won't we? Beautiful. Hello.
Did you jump out in the cloud, or was it?
No, I jumped out above the cloud.
Yeah. So
But then we flew through a cloud. Did
Yeah.
you fly through a cloud?
Yeah, I loved it.
yeah, because we couldn't see you. And you just suddenly appeared. Yeah. Did it taste good?
It was like as soon as we got to the clouds, he just pulled it down to the left and we went like that. Amazing. That was the coolest bit. Oh god,
There he
who's
is.
that ugly man? I have to Photoshop that tuft.
There's Daddy, look.
Look at my little tuft. What a ledge.
Oh, eyes
Yeah.
closed, is that? Oh my god, look at you. Like, oh no. You're meant to look, babe. You're meant to open your eyes.
I have got my eyes open.
Have you? There
Yeah.
you are, there you are.
I was tasting what it's like at that height because normally you're inside a plane, you're not allowed out. So
Hey, that's good.
that's the pictures. And it's time to go home.
Oh, I get a kiss now, do I?
Yeah, I forgot to kiss Lisa before I jumped, so it was a good job that we landed properly.
It was.
I was strapped to a man the entire time, very tightly. It was 50 Shades of Sky. You can have that one for free. I actually made that up in the plane, but they didn't film it, so I had to get it on camera somewhere. Anyway, I'm going home. Hopefully you enjoyed everything. I'll speak to you soon, and go check out the link down below. Bye.